Hello everyone, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday May the 7th 2022. We have here only actually two regular puzzles, Sudoku Medium and the Quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. And I've told you earlier I won't do those anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. So only one regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku. There is no additional in the Saturday newspaper of May the 7th. Let me show you that there is no extra puzzles. What I will do is I will solve the edition of, yesterday was Friday. We have also no extra puzzles, no additional. So I have solved the rest of the puzzles of the Thursday edition. So the Thursday edition is solved, the whole page of the additional. What I will do is today I will continue with the edition of Wednesday, and tomorrow on Sunday I will do the rest of the puzzle of Tuesday then. Yeah. So the Wednesday and the Tuesday I will solve the old puzzles. Well, it's a pity that the weekend edition on Saturday has no additional, but our daily Sudoku practice continues. Alright, so let's get started with this Sudoku Medium, and this will be number, let me zoom this correctly, 4517. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In addition, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number 1 in the last column? 1 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And now I can continue with the 9, I believe. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes here. 9 in this column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there. The only only place left for the 9 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 9. Now I need to wait. Okay. Then. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We share 3 in the third column. So no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in this row. So no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third column. 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. So now I can continue with the 9. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Alright. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, here 1 or 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1 or 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Then we have 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes here. An 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this row, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in the middle column, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 8. I need to wait. Need to wait. 2, 6. 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Two missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right. Then, how about these 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. Okay. 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next, on the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. And now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. So now this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. Okay, now I can count, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 6, number 8. All right. So 3 numbers are left. The 2, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7, 2, 4, 7. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 2 boxes. Wait. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. That means 1 box left in this column for the number 2 and the 7. So this box should be a 4. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Yes. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Why not? Why not? Here also 2 and the 7 are missing in the middle column. Here we have a pair, 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And now we have a 7 here, so this box can be 7 anymore. This box should be a 2. Okay, 1 box left in the middle column for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Told you, between 15 and 20 minutes, I need for a 2 stars Sudoku. Medium, yes, this is a medium. Alright, and before I leave, I'm interested also in the center boxes. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 9 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will share you with the data. We have here the 279, the 279, the 184, the 184, and the 857, 857. We have here the 7 as a pair, 1, 2, and the 8 as a pair. 2 pairs in this puzzle. Yes, thank you, and I will see you later with the other puzzles in the additional, I believe, the Wednesday edition and the Tuesday edition I will do. Until then, bye bye for now. Our daily Sudoku practice still continues. Bye bye.